Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the tracker class, the Ravager launcher. So what you need to do is click the class. This is a part of tracker class, the Ravager launcher. So it deploys a launcher that automatically locks onto enemy soldiers and also the vehicles within range. And also this is the default or the passive trait of the tracker. The enemy footsteps can be heard from a distance. Let's give it a try in the Royale training ground. So confirm, let's get started. Welcome to the training ground, Battle Royale training ground. As you can see, there are two enemies in front of me. Let's try the Ravager launcher. So it will lock on into enemies and eliminate them. Deploy. As you can see, it launched a missile. So give it a try in actual gameplay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.